The biggest risk is not investing. It's staying broke forever. Think about this. Every single day, you're making the riskiest financial decision of all. Letting inflation eat your money. Wasting time waiting for the perfect moment that never comes. Watching others build wealth while you stay exactly where you are. But let's be real, investing is scary as hell. What if you lose money? What if the stock market crashes? What if you end up broke? And that fear is what's keeping you poor. But here's a question that will change your life. What if the real danger is not investing at all? Today, I'll expose the brutal truth about why your fear of investing is keeping you broke, and most importantly, how to overcome it. Why you fear investing. Imagine this. You're holding your hard-earned money. It took you months, maybe even years to save it. You're about to invest, but then, bam! That little voice in your head screams, "Don't do it. What if you lose everything?" Remember what happened in 2008? You're not a finance expert. Investing is for rich people. Sound familiar? Because this is exactly how most people think, and it's keeping them from ever getting rich. The fear of investing is so powerful that people would rather keep their money in a 0.01% savings account than take a chance at building wealth. But let me tell you something that will shock you. Every single rich person you admire, they all invested before they were ready. They didn't wait for the perfect time. They didn't have it all figured out. They felt fear, but they invested anyway. And that's why they're rich. The question is, why aren't you? How to overcome the fear of investing. Here's the harsh truth nobody tells you. Fear is a lie that keeps you in the rat race. Think about it. Who benefits when you're too scared to invest? The banks, because they want you to keep your money with them. The government, because they need you to stay dependent. Your employer, because as long as you fear investing, you'll keep working for a paycheck instead of making money work for you. They want you to be scared. They want you to play small. They want you to stay broke. But the rich, they know a secret that most people don't. Wealth is built on action, not perfection. You don't need to be a genius. You don't need a finance degree. You don't need to be fearless. You just need to start. So how do you overcome your fear of investing? Simple. You follow the 3-step fearless investing formula. Step 1. Start small, but start now. Most people think you need thousands of dollars to invest, but that's not true. You can start with just $50 or even $10. That's less than a trip to McDonald's. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow like a tree. Even a small investment can turn into big money over time. Waiting for the perfect time is the biggest mistake, because the perfect time is right now. The longer you wait, the more you lose. Time in the market beats timing the market. Action step. Open a free investing account today. Even if you invest just $1, you've already started. Step 2. Make investing automatic. The secret to getting rich is consistency, not luck. Instead of spending money on things you don't need, set up automatic investments. This means every time you get paid, a small amount automatically goes into your investments. You won't even have to think about it. Your money will grow while you sleep. This is how millionaires invest without even trying. Action step. Set up an automatic transfer of $10 per week into an investment account. In a year, you'll have $520 plus growing for you. The stock market goes up and down, but over time, it always grows. If you panic and sell when prices drop, you'll lose money, but if you hold, you win. Even if there's a crash, the market always recovers and goes even higher. The longer you leave your money invested, the bigger it grows. Investing is like planting a tree. Don't dig it up too soon. Action step. When you invest, leave it alone for at least 5 to 10 years. Patience equals profit. And here's the shocking part. If you had invested just $1,000 in the S&P 500 20 years ago, you'd have $7,000 today. That's how the rich get richer. Fear will keep you broke. Action will make you rich. The only difference between you and wealthy people, they invest even when they're scared. You can spend your life being afraid, or again, you can take control and build real wealth. The choice is yours. Imagine looking back 5 years from now and realizing you never took action. Imagine watching others build wealth while you stayed stuck, all because of fear. But what if instead you took the first step today? What if you started with just $10 and let time do the rest? The truth is, you don't need a lot of money to invest. You need courage. The richest people in the world didn't start with millions. They started scared, just like you. But they took action anyway. Will you? Comment below, "I'm starting today," if you're ready to take control of your financial future. Like and subscribe for more life-changing financial advice. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.